Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about we've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device. Alright, let's begin. First, check your other devices. If Telegram indicates that it sent the code to another device, it means your account is still logged in on those devices, such as your desktop or another phone. Open Telegram on those devices and look for the code. If you cannot access the other device, you can request the code via SMS. After a short wait, the option to receive the code through SMS should appear at the bottom of the login screen. If you're still having trouble, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Telegram app on your phone. This action might help refresh the app and prompt the option to receive the code via SMS. As an alternative, consider downloading Telegram X from the Play Store or App Store. Telegram X may allow you to request the code via SMS or even through a phone call. So that's basically all about we've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.